Currently, much of the culture
leader in the space, and we are a strong partner with them and
helping develop teacher curriculum.
From William Ruto 24 counting. We need to make sure.
currently much of the culture
this initiative, because this is for the future of Africa and it's for the future of the world. I would like to thank the Global Carbon Removal Partnership and the U.S. Department of Energy for supporting us in carbon management. My task today here is to express and signal our commitment to lead the world in this new dispensation and to reiterate that Kenya is open for partnership and business. I invite U.S. tech firms to pursue the emerging investment prospects in the Silicon Sabala in Konza. There are many lessons we can all draw from Silicon Valley and the Research Triangle, which will make Konza City a success story. I also invite you to take advantage of the opportunity present in Kenya's plan for digital superhighway, paperless and digital government, and the establishment of the robust data hubs as our country continues to strengthen our position as the technology gateway to the larger Eastern and Central Africa region.
Our government, private sector, spending billions of dollars every year traveling to Dubai or whatever for healthcare, for education. This is what brought me to this partnership. The first center starting in Kenya, and then we're going to choose 7 other centers in Africa.
Your ideas of growing Kenya's role as a carbon exporter on your country's own terms are well-founded. Conservation International commits to partnering with the government of Kenya and will continue investing financial resources and technical assistance. We commit to working with Kenya's Ministry of Environment and Forestry and other stakeholders to establish a nesting framework which will unlock greater investment in climate finance.